Hi, I'm Steve Maher, the Ergonomics guy, and a lot of people have been asking me how to choose equipment for their office or their home office. So what I wanted to do is make a series of videos on how to look at chairs and keyboard trays and different bits of ergonomic equipment so that you can find something that's going to fit you. And the first thing to talk about is how to choose a chair. The chair is the most important piece of ergonomic equipment because that's where you spend all of your time. And the whole purpose of a chair is to hold you in a good neutral posture. And a neutral posture is one where your feet are supported on the floor, your hips are a little bit above your knees, your spine is balanced over your pelvis, and the backrest is giving you support in your low back. The armrests are down out of the way, so your arms are free to move. So when you're looking for a chair, you want to find a chair that's going to hold you in that position throughout the day. And chairs are really broken up into three groupings. There's the designer chair, the semi-adjustable, and the fully adjustable chair. And I want to show you kind of the difference between the three. So this one, I call it a designer chair because it looks really cool, but it doesn't have any real adjustability at all. The only thing that you can do with this chair is raise it up and down. Okay, maybe there's a few other things, but you can raise it up and down. The seat pan, there's a little, it kind of rolls up just a little bit there. The backrest is fixed in place, but the chair doesn't lock and you can rock back. And this can be a good chair if you're going to sit in it for a short amount of time. The problem is if you need to adjust it, it doesn't adjust to you. So if you need the back support higher and closer, it's where it is and you can't move it. So that's a designer chair. We see a lot of these out there, and basically they go up and down, and for short periods of time they can be a fairly good chair. Now the next chair I call a semi-adjustable chair, and the difference here is that we can adjust it up and down. We can adjust the backrest up and down, so it ratchets up and down, and we can lock and unlock the chair. There's also a seat slider on this side over here, so we can make it deeper or shallower. So with this style of chair, I can adjust the height of the seat pan to hold my hips higher. I can adjust the back support up and down, but I can't bring it in. Okay, and then I can lock the chair or unlock the chair so it rocks or doesn't. So this is a slightly more functional chair, but again, if I'm trying to get into that neutral posture with my knees below my hips and my low back supported, I really can't get this chair to fit me. So I like a chair more like this one, which is fully adjustable. And the funny thing is, this chair and this chair, same manufacturer, actually same manufacturer for all three. This one is fully adjustable, even though they have the same name. So you have to be careful when choosing a chair that you get one that has all the features you want. And the difference here is that there's three paddles under the right side, so we can adjust the height of the chair, we can adjust the tilt of the seat pan and lock it anywhere along that arc, we can adjust the position of the backrest itself, as well as the height. There's also a seat slider on this side, hidden under here, so we can move it back and forth. So if I was going to choose a chair like this, what I can do is adjust the height so that my hips are above my knees. I can adjust the depth of the seat pan so I can sit back into the backrest and still have a little space here at the front of the chair so that I get full contact between my thigh and the seat pan. I can bring the backrest up so the lumbar support actually hits my lumbar spine, and then I can move the backrest forward and back to support me in that good neutral position and lock it there. The armrests do come up and down. I'm not sure if these come off easily. I know in other models they can pop off if you want to get rid of them. So when you're looking for a chair, think about what you're going to be using it for, and then find one that fits you or your employees. And the more adjustability you have, the better likelihood that you're going to stay in that neutral position and be more comfortable in the chair. So if you have any questions about how to choose a chair for your home or for your office situation, please contact us at sitesolutions@hotmail.com or check us out online at theergonomicsguy.com. Thank you.